what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very different from any video that I've ever filmed. Today I'm going to be trying on celebrity remade dresses. You heard right. So I literally had this company, they remake celebrity dresses, and you like send them your sizes and they will make you the dress that the celebrity wore on the carpet. So it's a pretty cool deal. They're not cheap. And you'll have to communicate back and forth a lot to get your dresses made. I just want to give you guys some perspective on the company. I'll link it down below if you're interested and you like want one of the dresses made. But they cost anywhere between like $150 to $300. So they're not cheap. They're not like really intensely insane, because I'm sure some of these dresses that were worn were between $5,000 and $10,000 on the carpet. But I'm going to be trying them on, which I'm really excited about today. But the dresses I picked are like some of the most beautiful in my opinion. But here's the only downside, because these dresses are custom made. I just want to give you guys some perspective. So I ordered four. Ordered a Kylie Jenner, Heidi Klum, a Taylor Swift, and an Ariana Grande. I can't talk! In an Ariana Grande dress. So 4 different celebrities, 4 red carpet looks. I'm going to try them all on for you today. I ordered them October 4th, 2020. Yesterday, the last dress arrived. How many months? October. The beginning of October to the end of April. So October, January, November, December. So you're looking at between 6 and 7 months to get your dresses. Now I assume if you just order one dress, you could get it in 1 to 2 months. But if you order like 4, it took 6 to 7 months. Kind of a crazy lead time for 4 dresses, in my opinion. I'm like, what is happening? Like, how can it possibly take this long? That is my warning disclosure on if you order from this website, you will be waiting. They're all here, and one I have opened, and it looks really good because the way she did it, and I like the way she did it. She sent me the first ones, like, try it on. If it fits, I'll make the other ones with the exact same sizes. If we need to tweak it a little bit, we can tweak the other dresses. Super nice, really customizable. They try to work with you to make sure you enjoy your dress. But you'll wait. Let's dive in. So this is a pretty cool video. Oh, by the way, I saw this video from Mia Maples. All the credit goes to her. She did this first, I think. I mean, who knows who did it first, but that's who I saw do it. So full creds to her. Let's do this thing. Be sure and subscribe before you leave and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Okay, let's get started. So the first dress I want to try on is this Taylor Swift dress. So let's open it up. I just have to look at the picture. So for this one, this is the, oh, this isn't Taylor Swift. This is Heidi Klum. This is the blue V-neck chiffon prom dress, or Emmys dress 2012. So she wore this at the Emmys 2012. It was only $150, so it wasn't like a crazy price. I'll put the picture up on the screen of what she looked like in it. But she looked incredibly killer. She's a supermodel. She's Heidi Klum. She's also very tall. I'm 5'4". I'm nervous to try it on, but let's open it up. All right, here goes nothing. Ooh, guys, by the way, these are not wish dresses, so this is a different moment for us. So this feels like a really luxe, really heavy, like super heavy, and the inside is incredibly made. It's like got this beautiful perfected, oh, she's even got padding in it. Dang. So it's like extremely thick too. Like all the material is really heavy, really thick. That's my first impressions. And then she even has padding in the boob sections for you. Really nice stuff here. The dress, oh, it's heavy. Like for a chiffon dress, it is heavy. So I can tell it's nicely made. Looks like it has the exact same slit that Heidi Klum had here. I love the color of it. So color specifically, I was wondering, would it be off? It looks pretty dead on from the picture. Like, to be honest, this looks like it even has like the sash that she had right here. It looks like the exact remake. Like, I think they killed it. Yeah, here we have it. Really heavy dress, and it looks beautiful, like so beautiful. Also, this dress was worn in 2012, and I would, oh, it matches my nails, oh my god. But this dress was worn in 2012, and I would say it still would be stylish today. I think this dress is quite timeless. So let's go try it on and see the tea. You guys,
Look at this. Give us a spin.
Wow. This dress, I don't even need a bra with it because they did this part so well. It's stunning. It's snatched right here. And I noticed Heidi Klum It even had like a layer, hers, right here where the sheer showed this side of her leg is the exact same. It has the exact same sash. It's flowy like hers, and then it has this gorgeous split. So uncanny difference. This dress is gorgeous. I feel like it fits me perfectly too. I also don't feel like it's too long. Like it's perfect. Look how it flows when you walk. Wow.
Wow, Yoshi.
This is stunning, isn't it, Ty?
It is.
I also put on heels because I figure like naturally I would wear heels with it.
This is definitely Princess Jasmine vibe.
Like how well made this is. Like I am obsessed. It's stunning. I can't quit looking at it. I'm like, oh my God. But yeah, I'm just like honestly shocked and very, very, very impressed. Would I? Kind of. Oh, watch. Yeah. It's stunning. Look at that.
It's really pretty. No, this is actually really pretty.
No, girl. It's like padded.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I have a few more you can look at Twitter from.
What is this from?
This is Celebrity Remakes. So this is Heidi Klum's dress she wore on the red carpet.
This is gorgeous.
Is this not stunning?
Laura was trying to get me to unzip this. Do that again. Do it again. Look at her nails, y'all. They match
Oh yeah.
perfectly.
In the video, I was like, oh my God, my nails match.
How perfect.
Literally, look, they're like
The
camouflage.
exact same color.
That's
like
bomb.
you planned this.
I didn't, I swear. I'm going to save the Ariana Grande dress for the very end because it is the biggest dress and I think it was the most expensive, so it'll be like the grand finale. So our next dress was from Taylor Swift. It is another chiffon dress. It is, oh my goodness, she looks incredible in it. Like incredible. Let me tell you what I paid for it. Taylor Swift, white chiffon celebrity dress. She wore this at the Foundation Awards in 2013. I paid $150 for it. So, I paid $150 for all of them except for the Ariana Grande. The Ariana Grande one cost me closer to $300. Let's have a look at Miss Taylor's dress, shall we? Ooh, it feels really heavy already. By the way, they mail them to you one by one, so they all come in separate. I didn't wait, I didn't wait the full 7 months for all the dresses. I waited full 7 months to get them all here. The Ariana Grande one came last. She did kind of send me an email alluding to that she had sent me everything, and I was like, I haven't gotten the most expensive dress. And she was like, oh. So yeah, they do come in one by one, so you will be getting your dresses as they're made. This looks like the most beautiful bridal dress ever. Oh my gosh. Again, it has this isn't like a thin satin lining. It is thick. So it makes the dress extra luxe and heavy. And then it has this beautiful twist. I mean, these are executed flawlessly. And for $150, like, that would be hard to find a dress this heavy and luxe at like a department store. It also even has the neck piece. Ooh, I think this is gonna be really beautiful on. I'm gonna have to get some heels. And then it's just, it's huge. So flowy. It has so many layers to it. I definitely don't think it'll be one of those cheapy see-through dresses. I think Taylor is such a fashion icon. I love the way she dresses. I personally have a bit of a different style than her, but I do love this dress. This is a dress like I would totally wear. But I think I have like a little bit of a different style than her. She's very girly, very frilly. She's very tall as well. So she dresses her body well. And I like that sometimes she gets outside of the box, wears a lot of floral, really beautiful heels, all that. So I'm into it. But I'm going to go ahead and try this absolutely gorgeous gown on. And we're going to see how it looks.
Big reveal.
You guys, this dress is everything. Like, it is so freaking beautiful. It looks just like Taylor's. It fits perfectly. It looks so beautiful. It's fitted perfectly around the waist. It's snatched. Look at the chiffon.
Oh, that's called?
Yeah, it's completely not see-through. Like, it has such a thick layer on the inside made.
Let's see that layer.
Oh yeah, look at that. The whole inside has this thick layer and you cannot see anything through. The padding is done so flawlessly in the dress that I don't need a bra. It lifts my boobs, like the way the dress is made. It just snatches them up. The back is gorgeous, huh?
I'll do a gorgeous princess spin for us.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
A princess spin here.
Wow.
Dresses can make you feel some type of way. Like, they are done so well. I am incredibly impressed. It looks beautiful when you walk, the way it moves. I love it. I I give so far both dresses a 10 out of 10, don't you, Ty?
Heck yeah.
Like, these are above and beyond what I thought. Erin's already scoping them out for her prom. She's like...
See, when I asked you earlier if you were keeping these, I thought these were like wish dresses that you were trying on. I didn't realize they were custom.
Celebrity.
So you're definitely keeping these.
Yeah. That's why I was like, what do you mean am I keeping them? I'm not gonna throw them away. Okay, this is the first dress that she had sent me to try on to see if it fit me, so she can make the rest of my dresses. So this is the Kylie Jenner dress. She also wore this, let's see, but is the light long sleeve gown. So Kylie actually, it looks like an entertainment promo, but I'll put the picture on the screen, but it came with a belt, and I feel like the belt really accentuated the dress and like made it. But she did email me and was like, we no longer have that belt, so I'll refund you like $50, I think. But you'll just be getting the dress. I have the dress with no belt, but I'm gonna try it on. I'm hoping it's not gonna look awful without the belt. I'm a little nervous about it not having the belt because I feel like the belt was like the statement part of the dress. Kylie's way curvier than me. All these people have different body types than me. I'm just like a short little square. So we'll see how it looks like on me, but I'll be honest, like if I saw this on the rack, I would never pick it up because it's just so plain. I do like the split. And again, the material, it has that really thick all the way down, so it's not going to be see-through satin lining in it, and I love that. I feel like it's super nice. And yeah, and then it zips all the way up in the back, so it comes up really high in the back. And I've had this dress since probably like November, just sitting here waiting on me to try it on. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go try it on and we're gonna see the tea. Okay, you guys, I thought this one was gonna be a flop because we didn't have the chunky belt that Kylie wore. This one is so chic and beautiful. It's actually definitely a favorite. It is so incredibly made. Like, again, it has that rich lining in the entire dress. My legs are ashy and hairy, so please. But the slit is perfection. The fit is, I don't even need this strapless bra on. I put it on in case I would need it, like a bra. I don't even think I would need it on. The sleeves literally hit at the perfect point. It's so nice. Perfect. It's so heavy too. Like, it's actually very heavy.
This one's like super slimming and gorgeous on you.
I feel like it was made for my body type.
Yeah.
You know?
You were preparing me for this to be the worst one, and I think it's the best one.
I thought it was going to be the worst one. Ty's like, this is the best one. So this is Kylie's dress.
You could put your own little belt on. I know you said a belt was a must.
I probably wouldn't. I'd probably just leave it and do a cute bag. Yeah. So, dang, I got some dresses stacked up if I have some special events to go to. I'm going to be like,
you do.
Let me get my dress. I'm super excited about it. I think this one is gorgeous. I think Erin should come look at this one, yeah?
Yeah. Erin!
Erin, come look at this one.
Oh, darling.
We love it. Here's the back.
Oh, yeah. Let's take a peek at the back.
All right, this is Kylie's.
This one's really pretty.
Probably not prom, but like an event moment.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
Girl, you pull up to an event in this.
Ooh!
No, you look really pretty.
Thanks.
The synchronization.
It is really cute.
It's so chic. I'm obsessed. Here is the grand finale dress. This is the Ariana Grande dress. This is the one I paid closer to $300 on. This is the one I waited the longest on. This dress is huge. It's so heavy. And this is what it looked like on her. Gorgeous. So, I am gonna open it up, okay? I had to double package her. She's a thick girl. Oh my gosh, to look at it. It's like tied up in here. This dress feels so heavy right now. It's like hard to even get out. Wow. This is like a comforter for a bed. But they have it all tied up, so let's... Ooh, okay, looks like they packaged it inside out. Probably smart to protect the dress from shipping. And do you see how well they're made? It even has like that nice lining so the dress doesn't slip down. Whenever you're wearing a super heavy strapless dress, that sucker will fall down in a minute. So I see they added the gel like lining to help it stay up. I ordered everything in a size 4, just FYI, but oh, how am I even gonna get it to like flip? It's so, I can't even tell you guys how heavy this is. Oh my gosh. Ooh, we can do it, guys. Oh my gosh, I flipped it. Whoa! Look at this. I can't even show you the whole thing. It's so big. But look at these rich, heavy layers. I cannot wait to try this on. It's so cute. Wow, wow, wow. I'm a little shook. I might have to take an Instagram picture in this dress. I just paid $300 for it. It's so crazy though. You guys, this dress is so sickening. Look at how big it is. Does this help you see how big it is? It was a workout flipping it inside out. I need a breather. Alrighty, so with that being said, I think it is now officially time to try on the last dress. So let's go try it on. You guys ready?
We're ready. Da 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 da.
Guys!
Laura, this one is so, come into the light a bit so we can get the full
This
look
is layers.
at this.
Wow.
This is so cool.
Wow.
This-
Look at the layers. And then she has this full lining in it. So all this sheer you can't see through, and then it's like a train. This is tight. This is tight.
You were stepping on it.
Oh shoot.
All right, there's
Alright,
your
there
train.
you go. Yeah, finesse it there. I swear to God, if Aaron doesn't wear something like this to my funeral, I'll be devastated. I actually will save it. Someone has to wear it. So let me tell you my favorite part about this dress. She has corseted this part. So one, it's fitted. But whenever you have a dress this heavy, and like I said, the top will just fall down all night, she actually has metal coming through it.
Wow.
Yeah, so watch this. So
Stands
whenever
up.
I exhale and it's not even touching my chest, like the dress just sits up and
Yep.
it stays in its shape. So this dress isn't going nowhere. And the metal stops right here on my hips. So it's like it almost has like, I just nodded. So it almost has like a table to sit on. And so this dress is so secure regardless of how heavy it is. So I would say these are some of the most well-made dresses, like ever.
Can you stand against the white wall? Because it's really hard to see
Like
in
this?
some of it. Yeah.
Wow. I'm like in shock. Like I get why celebrities put these dresses on sometimes and they're like, yes, this is the one I'm wearing. Because these are all of these have been very flattering to the body, very well made, really beautiful and elegant. And I think they all have like their own twist to them. And I feel like a lot of them just look so chic in the way they flow whenever you walk. I feel like this one is definitely a standout moment for Ariana Grande. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I think with like shipping and everything for 4 dresses, my grand total was $776. Shipping was $30, but I will say, I believe she gave me like around 40 to 50 back for not having the Kylie belt. They're very well made and they're stunning. I'm into it. This was so much fun. Felt like a fairy princess. Felt like I was going on a red carpet. And I've never worn a dress I've never worn a dress this bomb on a red carpet ever. So, I mean, damn. So with that being said, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe before you leave. And I will see you in my next video.